So you're here in the basement and we're looking at a furnace replacement. It's an 80% furnace. You can see the flue that's going out, and it's actually going into a 5-inch liner, and you can see the T's that are coming off, one for the water tank, which is right next to it, and the other one for the furnace. We just look at the bottom there, there's a little bit of corrosion on the bottom of that T that goes into the liner, so I'm going to make a note that we'll replace that at the same time that we're replacing the furnace. In terms of gas, we have an isolating valve and a drip, and that looks in good shape. We also have electrics that's in a metal conduit, so that's good news. In terms of the space, I'm just going to step back so we can see. You can see the water tank. There's a 9.5-inch space between the return drop and the water tank, and that'll be relevant for being able to get the wider filter rack in between the furnace and the new return drop. I mentioned the line set when I was outside. Looks like it's sized correctly. I'm just going to follow it, and you can see where it's running. It actually looks like it's actually turning. I guess it's turning to get away from the flue liner into another joist cavity. So if we're unable to get a new one to the outside, and now that I'm looking at it, we probably want to keep it away from that liner. We'll flush that and then pressure test it. The drain from the A coil is actually running, I won't go to it, but there's actually a drain that's probably about 12 feet away in a room behind. So we just got some bits and pieces that we need to get clear to get on the new drain to it. There is a humidifier, an older humidifier that's currently not operating, so we'll give an option to install a new humidifier at the same time. Yeah, with the panel I mentioned, I'm just going to make a note. You can see that top unnamed circuit breaker, the 30 amp. That's the one, so the need for the fuse disconnect on the outside. For access, this is a walkout. You can see a door which actually leads to the path where the air conditioner is on the back of the house. So getting the equipment out, we've got access. That is it.